About earlier.
It's all taken care of. I checked the dough.
Eddie, you gonna dance?
It was clean. Marissa's in the sling. Hold on.
Eddie, you gonna dance?
Our CT was clean, and I hadn't even working.
You gonna dance?
Dance, Addison.
Dance!
Dance again, Addison, dance.
Eddie.
Dance.
Roxy.
Dance, Addison, dance.
Addie. You gonna dance?
Do it again, dance. Good girl.
Uh-oh. She's coming to get me. Eddie, you gonna dance? That's her new thing. She likes to fake laugh.
Good girl.
I can get over here and get her face more. I wonder if she can do it standing up. You gonna dance? Eddie.
Addison, dance for us. Dance for us.
Well, that's her dancing. I'm just kind of waiting to see if she'll do it standing up, but she's preoccupied chasing the dogs around and everything else. You being a silly girl? You trying to dance with Roxy? How about Gab? Does he want to dance?
Gabrick.
Be nice, Gab. I don't think he wants to dance, Addie.
Gabrick, you do